banana bread flavored with espresso and some chocolate, and we're gonna make some butter with cinnamon and some more espresso. Unsalted butter, confectioner's sugar, a little bit of cinnamon, and instant espresso. You wanna use room temperature butter here so it's easy to actually mix all these ingredients together. Let's get to our espresso chocolate chip banana bread. 5 tablespoons of brown butter, about a tablespoon of instant espresso. So we're just gonna let the espresso powder dissolve. So I'm gonna start with the dry ingredients, all-purpose flour, and then a little bit of baking soda, some salt, and I'm gonna whisk this very well. So those are our dry ingredients. 4 bananas that are over-ripened. Just gonna mash this up a little bit. So a half a cup of sugar, brown sugar, and then we're gonna pour our brown butter with our espresso right over it. I'm gonna whisk this all together. All right, we need 1 egg. Okay, we're gonna mix our dry into our wet ingredients, and our batter's basically finished. We need to add 1 more ingredient. Some semi-sweet chocolate, just chopped up, folded in. The batter's done, and I'm just gonna brush the inside of our loaf pan with some butter. All right, 350 degrees for 45 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna let that bake. All right, banana bread. You wanna let it cool for, 15 or 20 minutes, and then it should just come out. Please come out. Yes, excellent. You can slice this up. You wanna let it cool down a little bit. Oh yeah, look at that. Put some of this butter on top of it. Just out of sight. Tastes so good.